Facebook, how to add admin to page. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add admin to page on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add an admin to your page on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Then tap the three lines option. Then just switch or navigate to the page where you would like to add an admin. Once you navigate to that page, tap the three lines option from the top right again, and again tap the gear icon there. From here, go to page settings. Once you go to page settings, under this new pages section you'll find different sort of section, and here you'll find page access, so make sure to tap on the page access option. And here, if you want to add a new person with an administrative rights, you can just select the option called add new, and then here you can tap on next. Make sure to search for the person's friends list, make sure that they are on your friends list, and after that you should be able to send them a request. They should be able to accept it, and they will be made the new admin of your Facebook page. This way you will be able to add admin to page on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.